In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder tasks in Google Tasks. If you've ever felt like your task list isn't reflecting your real priorities, a quick reorder can make a world of difference. Today we'll do this on a computer using either Google Calendar or Gmail, since Google Tasks lives right inside both. Start by opening Google Calendar or Gmail in your browser, then open the Tasks panel. You'll typically find it on the right side as the Tasks icon. Clicking it opens your current list so you can see all your items. Before you try to move anything, look at the top of your task list for the List Options menu. It's the three vertical dots that control how your list is sorted. Click that menu and choose My Order. This is important because drag and drop won't work unless My Order is selected. If you're currently sorted by date or another automatic option, Google will keep arranging tasks for you, which means you won't be able to manually move them. Switching to My Order hands control back to you. Now that My Order is set, click and hold the task you want to move. As you drag, you'll see a guide showing where the task will land. Slide it up or down until it sits exactly where you want it in the list, then release to place it. That's it. The task is now reordered, and the change saves automatically. If you're organizing a long list, it can help to do this in small moves, nudging items into place so your highest priorities float to the top. The same approach works for subtasks. If a task has a small arrow to expand details, open it and you'll see the subtasks underneath. Click and hold a subtask, drag it to the new position within that parent task, and release to place it. Just like with main tasks, make sure the list is using My Order so the drag works properly. If you try to drag and nothing happens, double-check that you're not sorted by date. In Date View, tasks automatically arrange themselves by due date, which is great for scheduling, but blocks manual reordering. Switching back to My Order restores drag and drop instantly. To recap, open tasks in Google Calendar or Gmail, use the List Options menu to select My Order, then click, drag, and release to place any task exactly where you want it. Apply the same method to subtasks, and you'll have a clean, prioritized list in minutes. Organizing your day just got a lot easier.